Hi students, how are you all? Hope you fine. In previously, we started our new chapter, third chapter, simple equations, right? We are completed exercise number 1 and also doing some examples also. Example 5 up to how to complete the previous class. Today, we are going to start our exercise number 2. Before going to start this exercise number 2, we are revise all these topics one more time, which is the transposing. Transposing means how to let LHS to RHS. What is the LHS and RHS? Left hand side is equal to right hand side, right? If you move to the left hand side to right hand side, the sign, see, LHS to RHS. That means here we have to assign some, we are using some signs to move to the from left hand side to right hand side. The signs will become changed. See how it will change. Here we are checking positive. Positive means addition. Here left hand side we have to take LHS, that means positive addition. It will become move on to the right hand side, transposing. It will comes negative. That means subtraction. See, right? Here, for example, it will take you will take negative. Negative means subtraction. We have to move to the right hand side, left hand side to right hand side. The sign will be changed. How will we change? Negative subtraction, it will change to positive. That means addition. Division, it will become change. It will become change to multiplication. Multiplication, move to, if you move to the right hand side, it will change to the division. So before going to start the exercise number 2, we have to remind in your mind these four properties. That means 4 divisions, right? What is the addition? It will become negative. Negative, it will become addition. Division, it will become to move on to the right hand side. Multiplication to the left hand side, it will become the right hand side division, right? So you then start your exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. Solve the following equation without transposing and check your results, right? Here first sum is x plus 5 is equal to 9. We already know that plus equal to minus, it will become, already know that this box is, right? So by using this box, we have to do the solve. Here we have to find the x value. Why we have to find the x value? See, in this given equation, x is only letter, then both numbers are having numbers, right? So we have to find the x value. How can we find x value? Here plus 5 is there. Plus 5 is the left hand side, right? It will become right hand side. We have to plus values, change the signs to negative. That means subtraction. So here same 9 is same. Plus 5, it will becomes minus. So 9 minus 5. Right? So x equal to how much? 9 minus 5? 4. So x value equal to 4. This is the transposing, right? If you have to check in this textbook already asking and check your result. This is x value, you have to get the 4. This x value is right or not? How can we check? By substituting the x value into the given equation. The both LHS and RHS are equal, then we will get the correct answer for the correct answer, right? So see, 4 plus 5 equal to 9, right? This is the equation. We have to substitute the x value into x plus 5 equal to 9. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. That means 9 equal to 9. Therefore the LHS equal to RHS. In this way, we have to check the transposing and we have to check the given result. Okay? I will explain clearly one more time. Here giving x plus 5 equal to 9. Right? We have to find the x value. Why we have to check the x value? See, these both are numbers, this is the numeric. So we have to find the x value. X equal to 9 plus 5. Plus 5 is there. it will after it is equal to the move to the right hand side, it will becomes negative. So 9 minus 5, we will have to subtract the 9 minus 5, we will get the value 4, right? If the we will get the value, is it right or not? We have, how can we check? By substituting the x value into given equation. So we have to substitute 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Both 4 plus 5 equal to 9. 9. So LH is equal to, both are equal. So LH is equal to RHS, right? Same minus 5, right? Here also same. See, we have to find the y value. Why we have to find the y value? Both numbers are numerics. We have to only one letter y. So we have to find the y value. Y equal to minus 5 as it is. We have to write here. Minus 12 is there. It will move to the right hand side, left hand side to right hand side. The sign will be changed. So minus, it will become plus. So plus 12, right? Minus 5 plus 12, how much the value is? 7. So y value is 7, right? If the y value is right or not, how can we check? We have to substitute the given value. We have to substitute the y value into given equation, right? What is the given equation? Y minus 12 equal to minus 5, right? So y value is 7 minus 12 equal to minus 5, right? 7 minus 12, we already know the addition and subtraction, guys. Which is the highest among these 12 is there. So in front of the, which is the sign is there? Minus is there, right? So 7 minus 12 minus 5 equal to minus 5, right? Therefore the LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Move on to the third one. 3x minus 4 equal to 19, right? How can we do here? First, you have to write the x value right left hand side, and you have to transposing the numbers into one side, x values into one side. So 3x equal to, as is 19 is writing, plus 4 is there, it will becomes minus 4 is there, it will becomes plus 4, right? Minus 4. So 3x is equal to how much? 19 plus 40, 19 plus 4, how much? 23, right? 3x minus 4, sorry guys, here 3 plus 4, right? Not 3x minus 4, it will becomes minus 19 minus 4, how much? How much? 16. No, 15 guys. 19 minus 4 equal to 15. So 3x is equal to, okay, here 3x is equal to 15 is there. We have to find the x value, right? Here division, multiplication, 3 into x, 3x. Here it will becomes multiplication, it move on to the left hand side to right hand side, it will becomes division, right? So x equal to 15 by 3. 15 by 3. How many times? How many times? 5 times, right? So therefore the x equal to 5. Here x value 5 is correct or not. How we will check? We have to substitute the x value into the given equation, right? 3 into, sorry, given equation is 3x plus 4 equal to 19, right? 3 into 5 plus 4 equal to 19. 3 5s are 15, right? 15 plus 4 equal to 19. 19 equal to 19. Therefore, the LHS equal to RHS. Right? Simple method I will explain clearly. Here 3 plus 5 plus 4 equal to 19 is the given equation. You have to find the x value. How can we find? First we have to transpose the x values into one side, numbers into one side. So here I am write the 3x is same. I have to write the numbers in one side. 19 plus 4 is there. It will becomes minus. So 3x equal to 15. We have to find the x value. Here 3 into x means multiplication. So multiplication it will becomes, move on to the right hand side, it will becomes division. So 15 by 3. X value is equal to 5. If the x value correct is or not, how we will check? We have to substitute the x value into the given equation. So we will get the LHS equal to RHS, both are equal. So the given how to find this way. Okay. Then fourth one, 9z is equal to 81. Here clearly observe only multiplication and given number, right? Here we have to find the z value. Why? Because only z value is given, so we have to find the z value. So 9 into z is equal to multiplication. It will becomes multiplication becomes division, right? Z is equal to 81 by 9, right? How many times? 9 times. How many times? 9 9s are 81. So z equal to 9. Z equal to 9. The given equation right or not, how can we check? You have to substitute the z value into the given equation. So 81 equal to 9 9s are 81. So LHS equal. Go on to the fourth sum. Guys, this is very easy. If you can understand, you have to do so many problems. If you not understand, it is very difficult for you. So please guys, understand clearly. Okay. Coming to first one, 3x plus 8 equal to 5x plus 2. Here in this, coming to this section, we are having 2x is there. We have to find the x value, nothing. First transposing these problems, right? You have to write the, I am writing x values in one side, remaining the numbers into the one side. See, 3x, here minus plus 5x. If the number is given, if it did not assign any sign value is not there, we have to assign plus value, right? So here plus 5x, it comes to the left hand side, it will becomes minus 5x, right? Is equal to here 8, sorry, plus 8 is there, move to the minus 8, plus 2 as it is same, plus 2 as it is same. So 3x minus 5x equal to minus 2x equal to minus 8 plus 2 minus 6, right? So here we have to check the x value. Here multiplication is there, right? See, minus minus cancel. Easy to clear for you, easy to understand for you. Okay, x is equal to 6 by 2. How many times? 3 times. 3 times. Therefore the x is equal to 3. If the x value is correct or not, how can we check? We have to substitute the x value into the given equation. So 3 into 3 plus 8 is equal to 5 into 3 plus 2, right? 3 3s are 6 plus 8 is equal to 5 3s are 15 plus 2, right? Sorry, 3 3s are 9. Okay na? 17 equal to 17. Therefore the LHS equal to RHS. Okay guys, here I want to transposing numbers from, we have 5y, 4y is there. I want to write y's in one side, y values in one side, remaining numbers is the one side. See, 5y. Here my plus 4y. If you convert from move to the left hand side, it will becomes negative 4y is equal to minus 10. My plus 10 is there. It will move on to the left hand side. It will becomes minus. Positive becomes negative. So minus. So 5y minus 4y, y equal to minus 10 minus 10 minus 20. Minus 20. See, if therefore the y value is equal to minus 20. If the y value is minus 20 is right or not, how can we check? By substituting the y value into the given equation. See, 5 into minus 20 plus 10 equal to 4 into minus 20 minus 10, right? 5 2s are 10 minus 100 plus 10 equal to 4 2s are 8. Here minus is there, so minus 8 minus 10, right? See, minus 100 plus 10 minus 90. Minus 80 minus 10 minus 90. Both LHS and RHS are equal. So, LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, the y value minus 20 is the right. Y value minus 20 is the correct. See, here I am writing the y values in one side, remaining numbers in one side. So, 5y as it is. Here 4y. If we did not assign any number to the first in front of the given number, so we can assign positive. That means addition. So it will becomes negative. Minus 10. Plus 10 is there. It will becomes to the right hand side. Will becomes minus 10. So 4y 5y minus 4y y minus 20. Okay. If you substitute in the y value, we have to get the both are LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, the given equation is right. Y value y equal to 20 is the correct answer. Okay. Here's the next one. Solve the second one. Solve the following equations by transposing the terms and check your results. Here also same. In the previous first Roman, what we have to do, in this also we can do the same. First one, 2 plus y equal to 7. Second one, 2a minus 3 equal to 5, right? Here in this we have to find the y value. So y equal to 7 plus 2 minus 2. Therefore the y equal to how much? 5, right? The equation is right or not? How can we check? We have to substitute the y value into the given equation. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Therefore the 7 equal to 7. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. In this we have to check the given equation. Okay. So coming to second, we have to find the a value. So 2a equal to 5. Here minus 3 is it will becomes plus 3. Right? 2a equal to 8. Here 2 into a multiplication. It will becomes division. Right? A equal to 8 by 2. That means 4 times. Therefore the a equal to 4. Here see how can we check? We have to substitute the a value into the given equation, right? 2 into 4 minus 3 equal to 5, right? 2 4s are 8 minus 3 equal to 5. 5 equal to 5. Therefore the LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Right? 5x minus 3 equal to 3x minus 5. Right? How can we do? Here multiplication is it becomes negative, right? Minus x is equal to 15 by 3. Sorry guys. Sorry. Here we have to find the x value. So we have to find the x value. X equal to minus 15 by minus 3. It will how many times? 3 times. So x equal to minus 3. Right? We have to substitute the minus 3 value into the given equation. Minus 3 is equal to 15. Sorry, how many times? 5 times. 3 5s are 15, right? I have to substitute the 5 value into the given equation. So minus into minus plus, right? We have to do the multiplication. Minus 3 into minus 5, we will get the value 15. Therefore the 15 equal to 15. Therefore the LHS equal to RHS, right? On next one, here also we have to find the x values. So 5x minus 3x minus 3 minus 5, right? Here 5x minus 3x minus 5, right? 5x minus 3x, how much? 2x is equal to minus 8. X equal to how much? Minus 4. Why? Because 8 by 2, how many times? 4 times. The value is correct or not, how will you check? We have to substitute the minus 4 into given equation. Minus 3 into minus 4 minus 5 minus 20. 5 4s are 20 minus 3. 3 4s are minus 12 minus 15, right? How much the value? It's 12. 5 4s are 20 minus 3. See guys, something is mistake. 5x minus 3. Here 5x, we have to write the x values into one side, remaining numbers into the one side. 5x plus is there minus 3x, right? Minus 5 plus 3. So 2x is correct. Minus 3x minus 2 is minus 2, right? Minus 2. So 2 2s are minus 1. We have to get the value is minus 1. We have to substitute the value into x value into minus 1. So what do we get? Minus 5 minus 3 minus 3 minus 5, right? So minus 8 equal to minus 8. Therefore the LHS equal to RHS. Okay, move on to the next sum. See, this sum is 9th one, right? On the 10th sum, 3 of x minus 3 is equal to 5 of 2x plus 1. See, here 3 is multiplied into x and also 3. Here also 5 is multiplied into 2x plus 3. It's 2x plus 1. So 3x minus 3 3s are 9 equal to 5 2s are 10. X plus 5, right? So here I want to write the x values into one side, remaining values into the one side. 3x, here plus 10x, it comes to minus 10x, right? Here 5 plus 9 minus 9 plus 9. So minus 3x, 3 plus 3x minus 10x, how much the value? 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3, 7 minus 7x is equal to 9 plus 5, 14. So so x equal to, we have to find x value, right? 14 by 7. So how many times? 2 times. Therefore the x is equal to minus 2. We have to substitute the x value into given equation. So 3 into minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2 into minus 2 plus 1, right? 3 into minus 5, 5 into 2 2s are minus 4 plus 1, right? 3 into minus 5, 5 into minus 3. So 3 5s are 15, minus 15, 5 3s are minus 15, right? So therefore the LHS equal to RHS. In this way, we have to transpose in the given equation and check the results is correct, get value is the correct or not. This way, we have to check the given equations, transposing the terms and check your results, right? Now, exercise 2 is completed. Now, we are doing some examples. Move on to the next one. usage of algebraic equation in solving day-to-day problems.